I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by gathering materials for a custom dashboard mat. Use 1/4-inch EVA foam and 1/8-inch felt for backing. Bring spray adhesive, a sharp utility knife, scissors, a ruler, and a tape measure. Measure your dashboard length and width in inches and note the largest dimension. Clean the dashboard surface with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Allow the surface to dry fully before proceeding. Lay down paper for pattern work to avoid marking interior panels. Create a pattern by tracing the dashboard shape on a craft paper. Use a tape measure and mark edges in inches for precision. Transfer the paper pattern onto the EVA foam and felt pieces. Cut the foam with a sharp utility knife using long, steady strokes only. Match the felt backing and cut it slightly smaller by 1/4 inch for a clean edge. Round corners by trimming 1/4 inch curves where the dash slopes. Test the fit on the dash and fine-tune as needed. Apply spray adhesive to both the foam and the felt backing evenly. Wait 30 seconds for the adhesive to become tacky before bonding the layers together. Carefully align the foam mat on the dashboard and press from the center outward to remove air bubbles. Use a roller or your palm to smooth the mat and ensure full contact. Trim excess material with scissors or a utility knife for precise edges. For maintenance, clean using a dashboard-safe cleaner and avoid harsh chemicals or direct sunlight prolonged exposure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.